Hey, what is up guys? In today's video I want to show you how to make an online store, and this video can be very helpful for those of you who want to sell online. If the only thing that is stopping you right now from start selling online is to set up an online store that is looking somehow similar to the one that you can see right now in this video, which is, by the way, Play Toddler, which is my website that I have been running already a little while. And this one is actually niche down to sell different kind of baby products, such as, for example, baby clothing, blankets, shoes, toys, and etc. And as you can understand, this type of website can be adopted to sell any kind of other products as well. Alright? So this is the plan for this video. First of all, I want to show you how this website looks like, how it functions, how it is structured, and then you can have an idea and understanding if you would like to have a similar website to sell your own products. Now let's have a look at the actual online store. And now we are at the home page, and the first thing that we can see at the front, actually at the background, I have this nice background image where we have couple or three of kids playing. This image is related to my particular niche, and you can basically put here your own image. And just right here at the very top, this black stripe area, we have social media pages like Facebook business page, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And just right at the opposite side, we have currency selector. If your customer would like to check out with his preferred currency, he can select it here. Alright, let's close it. And just if we scroll a little bit further, what goes here, after this hero image, basically, we have different product categories that are populated on the home page. So the first thing that I have here is girl dresses. Obviously, there are some dresses, and for example, if you would like to check all the products that is related to dresses, you click on this shop all link, and so you can have your own product category, your own products right over here. Alright, so let's scroll it, and now we have another section, which is t-shirts. Here I have several of t-shirts, then shop all link. Basically, if we click, we see all the t-shirts listed. Then comes this kind of hero image section, which is for the baby toys in my case. So if we, for example, check it out, we click, I'll open it in a new tab, then we can see all the toys that are listed on this website. Alright, so then basically comes two more sections, which is shoes, and I have baby clothing sets. So all these sections like shoes and clothing sets, these are basically the categories. So if we, as I showed before, if we click on this shop all, we land to the page where we have all the products of this category. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the actual product. And right here we have a preview of the product. So this is not the actual product page, but a quick preview. Right here we have some kind of options. We have, like, for example, these color swatches, so we can preview color options. And if we click on the actual product page, then we can see much more options. Like, for example, besides the color selectors, we can select more options like size. Then in my case, I have where I can ship this item from. If it is available in the United States warehouse, I can ship it from the United States warehouse or from China warehouse. So a customer can select the option where he wants this item to be shipped from. Alright, so then comes payment options, and just below comes the description of the actual product. And the below description, I have similar or related products, which are shoes in this case. So now we hit the very bottom of this online store, and right over here we have logo, and we have footer menu items. Some of the pages that are presented here in the footer menu, they are not presented obviously at the top, but they are very important. For instance, shipping policy, refund policy, since our customers would like to know how many days it could take for them to receive an item, and if it was defected or broken, you can state here very clearly in the refund policy under which terms you do the refunds, how do they return a product to you, and etc. And on the FAQ page, you can put most frequently asked questions that are related to your products. Alright, so then basically the social media pages, the same way as we had them before here at the very top. So this is how this online store looks, and it is structured quite simple, but yet it is very clean and easy to navigate, easy to make shopping for our visitors. So what you can do now, you can go and click a link in the description where you can preview this online store live and kind of feel and understand if you would like to have a similar store to sell your own products, together with information on how to make it as well. Alright, but before you go and click, what I ask you to do is to subscribe if you are interested in the topics on how to make online stores. Soon I plan to post more videos like this, and besides, I want to cover more topics related to the drop shipping and selling online and driving traffic and making ads and etc. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, take care.